Okay, and so here's the problem that gave you a little difficulty. A rectangular board of 8 columns has squared
squares, I think.
It's squared numbers beginning in the upper left-hand corner and moving left to right. So row 1 is numbered 1 through 8, row 2 is numbered 9 through 16, and so on. Okay, I think there's just a little typo.
I think it means squares.
Yeah, it's squares with numbers, probably. The student shades in square 1, then skips 1 square and shades in square 3, skips 2 squares and shades square 6, skips 3 squares and squares 10, and then continues in this way until there's at least 1 shaded square in each column. What is the number of the shaded square that first achieves this result? Okay, so we're looking for what is the number that gives you the square, or it gives you a black mark in every column, finally.
Well, just from this picture, I mean, maybe we can get lucky. Because just from this picture, there's 3 columns that are left.
Ah, okay.
And we can maybe follow the numbers down to like this range of numbers. And maybe we'll get lucky and only one of these numbers would be in a column.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. So you could work backwards from the answers here, possibly. Let's talk about what kind of math we're encountering in this problem.
Well, patterns.
Definitely patterns.
Probably counting.
Sort of counting, yeah. Do you know what numbers are being shaded here?
It's the triangular numbers.
It's the triangular numbers. Okay, and the trick to this problem is actually number theory.
So a triangular number will be shaded.
The triangular number is going to be shaded, and we're looking for the triangular numbers mod what?
Mod 8.
We're looking for the triangular numbers mod 8. Okay?
Alright.
And then we're going to see. We're going to see where they appear.
Alright.
Okay? So let's first solve the problem, and then let's see if going to the answers first on this would have been helpful.
Alright.
Okay? So the triangular numbers are 1,
3,
3,
6,
6,
10,
10,
15,
15,
21.
21. So we're going plus 2, plus 3,
Yeah.
plus 4, plus 5, plus 6,
And then 28,
28,
36.
36.
That's a choice.
Yep.
Wait, plus 9, 45. 55.
Sorry, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10.
66. 78.
78,
91.
91,
105. And then the one.
Yeah.
120, 14.
Well,
Okay.
that only eliminated one option.
Right, that only eliminated one option. And in fact, we only needed to look at the first 8 triangular numbers because this is going to start repeating. But that's all right. Let's look at the mod 8 now. So mod 8, just read off to me mod 8.
1, 3,
3,
6,
6,
2,
2,
7.
yep.
7,
5.
Yep. 4. And
That's 4.
yep. And
5.
Yep. 5. 7. 1. I think we repeat there.
1,
1.
1,
Or 2. 6. 3. 5. Wait. No, not 5.
Let's see. And 90. 1.
1,
And then 120 is a multiple of 8.
Okay, so from looking at this list, what's the answer?
We have to look at 1, 2.
Oh man, sorry, I had the camera zoomed in. Sorry about that. All right, what's the answer?
120 is going to be a multiple of 8, but so
That's the only 0 we have.
Haha. Yeah.
and that's one of the uncovered columns.
Yeah. So I was wrong. I thought we only had to look up for the first 8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
But we're not really repeating here.
But well, it's not only that we're not repeating. For the first 8, we've covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Then it just goes back.
Then we have those same numbers again, but
Then we have a 0.
And then we get down to 0. So we had to keep going to find out if we did cover 0. And we did.
Yeah.
It just took out to 120. Okay, so that's what we had to do here. Is we had the idea to solve this problem is looking at the triangular numbers mod 8. And so this is a challenging problem. Now, if you wanted to work from the solutions here, it's not super obvious what you're supposed to do. So how would you have worked from the solutions here?
well, yeah. Again, I was gonna look at which ones were triangular numbers, but we found that 4 of these 5 were triangular numbers, so that
Okay.
wouldn't really have helped.
Yeah. And you could have looked at these numbers mod 8 as well once you saw that they were triangular numbers. 36 is 4. And we know this column was uncovered. So that's a possible answer. 78 was 6. That column was already covered. So we can eliminate 78. We can eliminate
64 is not a triangular number.
64 is not a triangular number. 91,
Columns 3.
3.
It's already covered.
It's already covered.
And 120.
It's not covered.
Not covered, so
we
we-
got down to 2. 2 choices.
All right, so from looking at the choices, actually, we were down to we could guess actually pretty easily here.
I mean, you can just do it out to 36 and see that there's still some stuff empty.
Right. So they went up to 15 here. 21 appeared in column 5. 28 appeared in column 4.
That shut that down.
36 is also in column 4. And now you know that this one's open.
It's open, so,
So that's
120.
That's it. All right.
All right.
Good. Both challenging problems today, guys. Good. But hopefully you see how to solve those now.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Good work, huh?